Hi guys, my name's Matt and I'm from Tentworld, Townsville. I'm here to show you today the Thetford 565E portable potty toilet. The Thetford 565E is a 21 litre waste holding tank with a 15 litre top freshwater tank for the flush. The flush is actually a built-in electric. So as you can see here, it's got a button and would flush like so. It does have a lift lid as well, so obviously with different numbers. The freshwater tank for the top, the inlet is also up the top here and comes with a cap. And as you can see on the side here, it actually has a built-in toilet roll holder as well. So to use the 565E, you first have to obviously open it up, but then open the valve on the side. And that valve opens to the wastewater tank to catch obviously the waste. Once finished, close, and go from there. Very simple. So the Thetford has the toilet paper roll holder, the level indicator display for waste holding tank, level indicator display for flush water tank, a large seating surface, and convenient vent button for splash-free emptying. The Thetford 565E also comes with a easy to refill top nozzle. Then once replace the cap, toilet's ready to use. So to open and split the tank, there's a lever at the back and just lifts up from the back. So as you can see, that would be the top. And this is the waste holding tank. Before use, make sure you always put the wastewater tank cap on, firmly tight, and obviously keep the valve closed. There is a manual release here as well for the wastewater tank cover for the top. But before emptying, make sure you do release the gas valve at the front, which is located at the front here. Then proceed to open the cap. And empty accordingly. The Thetford 565E measures at 448mm by 388mm by 450mm. So it's actually the highest in its range, so it's actually quite comfortable for normal toilet use rather than being quite small. The Thetford is 5 kilograms in total weight, not including the water capacity as well. Thetford also have a warranty of 3 years, which will cover you on the road and out and about. Don't forget the Thetford chemicals. You do have the green for the septic safe, the blue for the normal chemical for the waste tank, and also the pink for the freshwater rinse up the top. Also, you do have a couple of refresher tanks and cleaners as well. Thanks for watching. Check out our website, tentworld.com.au, and we'll see you soon.